Ever find yourself needing to send money fast while on the go? Maybe you need to pay for an unexpected expense, or send funds to a friend or family member in need. Today, I'm diving into Western Union, the ultimate money transfer service. It's a name that has become synonymous with quick and reliable money transfers. Let's see if it lives up to the hype and if it truly is the best option for your money transfer needs. First off, Western Union has been around for over 150 years. That's right, they've been in the business since 1851. That's a lot of experience in the money transfer game. Over the years, they've built a reputation for reliability and trustworthiness. Whether you're sending money to family, paying for services, or just need to move funds quickly, Western Union has got you covered. Their services are designed to be user-friendly and efficient. The process is super simple. You can send money online through their app or by visiting one of their many physical locations. Just sign up online through their app or visit one of their many physical locations. The flexibility they offer is truly remarkable. Links in the description if you want to give it a try. It's always good to have options, especially when you're in a hurry. One thing I love about Western Union is its global reach. No matter where you are in the world, you can count on them to help you send money. They operate in more than 200 countries and territories. This extensive network ensures that you can send money to almost any corner of the globe. So whether you're in Paris, Tokyo, or Buenos Aires, you can send money to pretty much anywhere. It's incredibly convenient for travelers and expatriates alike. And they offer multiple ways to send and receive money: bank transfers, cash pickups, or even directly to a mobile wallet. This variety of options makes it easy to choose the method that works best for you. Now let's talk about speed. In today's fast-paced world, time is of the essence. Most transfers are completed within minutes. This is especially useful in emergencies or when you need to send money urgently. Yeah, you heard that right. Minutes. It's almost instantaneous, which can be a lifesaver in critical situations. This is a game changer, especially if you need funds urgently. But what about security? In the digital age, keeping your money and personal information safe is paramount. Western Union uses state-of-the-art encryption and monitoring systems to keep your money and personal information safe. They take security very seriously. Plus, they have a robust customer support team available 24/7. Whether you have a question or need assistance, help is just a call away. Peace of mind is priceless, right? Knowing that you have support whenever you need it is a huge plus. Of course, there are some fees involved. It's important to be aware of these so you can plan accordingly. Fees can vary based on the amount you're sending, the destination, and the method of transfer. Always check the fee structure before making a transfer. It's always a good idea to check the fees up front so there are no surprises. Being informed helps you make the best decision. Also, keep an eye on exchange rates. These can have a significant impact on the amount the recipient actually receives. Western Union offers competitive rates, but they can fluctuate. Monitoring these rates can help you get the best deal. Timing your transfer when rates are favorable can save you some money. It's a small step that can make a big difference. So, is Western Union the ultimate money transfer service? For frequent travelers, it certainly ticks a lot of boxes. It's fast, reliable, and widely accessible. These are key factors when choosing a money transfer service. Plus, with over a century of experience, you know you're in good hands. Their long history speaks volumes about their credibility. Ready to give it a try? The process is straightforward and user-friendly. Check out the link in the description to sign up and start transferring money with ease. It's a decision you won't regret. Safe travels and happy transferring. Thanks for watching. Your financial peace of mind is just a transfer away. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and reviews. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and keep exploring.